I'm so hungry.
Will you shut up? We're all hungry. Okay, our objective is the Boy Scout campsite to the east. Easy target, big, doughy scoutmaster, couple of cubs, mostly weebelos. What kind of score are we looking at? Hot dogs, buns, s'mores? I mean, it's a freaking 7-Eleven. All right, everyone grab flashlights. Oh, my God, could it be? Yes! My mother put an I love you brisket in my backpack! Quick, get forks! You don't need forks, it's so tender, it falls apart in your hands. He's right! I feel like we're forgetting something important.
Me too, but what?
Maybe a Tupperware bowl of roasted potatoes and carrots? Yeah!